is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira te tū, kia Whanganui te tū.
And hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
E te tie hoa mā, nau mai, hoki mai, nau mai, hara mai ki ngā pātiki mato rau atu o te tanga o Tāmaki Makaurau. I aiki etahi te toke rau a Waikato, engari aiki ahau Tāmaki Makaurau tonu tēnei. Ka taubi tōku ingoa nōku te maringa nui ki te mātakitaki tahi tēnei kēmu. Me koutou katoa e hono mai ana puta no i Aotearoa o Tirā i te ao whānui. Kia ora everyone and welcome in to the lush pastures of South Auckland. Some would say the North Waikato. As a Central Aucklander, I'm going to claim this as part of Tāmaki. My name is Toby. It's my privilege watching this one alongside all of you joining in from across the motu and indeed across the world. E kēmu tino hikakarau atu kei te haere kei Whanganui I ngā kura rangatira e rua a rā ko Wesley rātou ko Whanganui College. Collegiate, I should say. An exciting game between two mighty rugby schools, Wesley and Whanganui Collegiate, who've made the trip up here to the beautiful kura o Weteriana. And while we get ready to get underway, we'll take a quick look at the two teams. Wesley, a strong rugby school, and they continue that prowess with a strong lineup here today. McFarland, Uhatahi, Lea, Forbes, Fatu, Whangupo, Taufuo, Atuna, Baker, Fraser, New, Mus, Natutusau, Aria, Byers, Falau, Tuheava, Kona Falau that is, and Tuheava in the 17, Tuifua, Tapusua, Ratu level, Funaki, Maizi, Meto Rātou Kaiako, and their coach, Lawrence. Te pai hoki o Taiwa ingoa, e mihi ana e hoa. Strong school, producing All Blacks of the likes of the late great Jonah Lomu, and in more recent times, Nipo Laulaula and Tupo Vai. Equally strong, however, on the side of Whanganui Collegiate, with Sherritt locking down in the one jersey, Gibbs and Humphrey making up the front row, Maben, Prouting, Devane, Olds, Okanisau, Butukoro, Malo, Stark, Afamasanga, Heyman, McDougall, Smith, Hadfield, Karato, Ashworth, Pooh, Mo, Simmons and Ormsby. Me tō rātou kaiako hoki ko Steve Simpson. Whanganui producing All Blacks such as David Kirk, the famous World Cup winning captain from 1987. Kare kore ka rau e te kēmu kei te haere kua timata pai e nei time e rua I o rātou mahi mo te tau nei tēnei whakataitai, taitai rau atu. No doubt an exciting fixture to come. Both these teams getting off to a good start, getting locked into their mahi for the competition for this year, the Central North Island, one of the premier competitions in New Zealand Secondary Schools Rugby o tira I te ao hoki. Nō rare me mihi ka tika kia whakaata MāORI plus e papāhua ana I nei kēmu katoa ki ngā kokona e whao te ao mo te kore utu hoki. Mei kore ake rātou e kore tātou e whai a hainga ki te mātakitaki I nei whetsu o a pōpō ki o mātou mata, o mātou rorohiko, o mātou tiwi. Nō rare e mihi ana kia rātou katoa. And of course, a big shout out to Whakaata MāORI plus, broadcasting all of these games live and on demand and for free. You can't replay that one down in this economy at the iwi. Really is a privilege to be able to watch these stars of tomorrow live on our screens, on our computers, on our TVs, in our homes and in our workplaces. Mea nā koutou, e noho ana ki te kura ki te mahi rānei, te rapea e noho ana ki te kainga, ko te mea matua. Kei te mātakitaki koutou, I tēnei kēmu, I tēnei pāpāhotanga. Whether you're at work, you're at school, maybe you've dipped out for a second, maybe you're at home. The main thing is you're here, you're locked in on what promises to be a fantastic game in, I'll say it again, South Auckland's North Waikato. Eat your heart out. Ko te tongo o Tāmaki Makaurau tēnei. Nō rere ia tātou, I tatari ana mō ngā tima e rua. While we wait for the two teams to come out onto the fields. Te arapea he wā pai tēnei. Ki te whakamahara ki a koutou katoa ki te nui, te maha o ngā kēmu. I te wikini e haere ake nei. Good time to remind you, this the first of many games to be played in the end of this weekend, of course, the coming weekend. Super 8 action, Central North Island. Plenty of futu poro kia mātakitakina e koutou katoa. Lots of rugby for your viewing pleasure. Hei aha te Super Rugby. What's the point of Super? Realistically, the Crusaders will beat the Blues. Hurricanes will probably beat the Chiefs. where you really want to be is here on Whakaata Māori. E whiti mai ana te rā, kua maha na haere te āhuatanga o te rangi nei, kei rera tamanui te rā, e mātakitaki hoki ana I tēnei kēmu. Tino tauana te hau hoki aha ko ngā hau keri I tai mai te wiki kua hipa. As you can see, the sun is shining. It's nice and warm. Tamanui te rā has decided he wants to have a watch as well. Nice and calm here, just the gentle breeze despite the gale force winds that swept the country over the past few days. Me te mihoki ki o tātou whānau, e noho ana ki pōneke, me ngā raru kua puta I te āwhā ki reira. Tō mātou nei aroha, kia koutou ko te tūmanako nei, e noho haumaru ana I tēnei wā. And a big shout out as well to all of our whānau watching in from Wellington with all of the damage that the storms have done down there, especially around Lyell Bay in the southern suburbs. Sending out our love to all of you and hoping that you are safe and well from what has been a fairly Wellingtonian, perhaps exceedingly Wellingtonian week of weather. Te āhua nei kauru, ngā manuhiri ki te papa I te tuatahi, kātahi ka whai te ahau kainga. Kātahi ka whakatakoto ria te manuka me ki e ngā tima e rua me ngā haka. Kātahi ka tīmata. In broken wete reo e te iwi, the program for today, Whanganui Collegiate will make their way out onto the field first. As the visitors do, it is the tikanga, followed by the hosts Wesley. We will then have time for the haka, for the challenge to be laid down before we get ready for kick-off. Ia ngā kaiwa wao. E uru ana ki te papa, as we see our referees making their way onto the field, and indeed, there are the Wesley boys. Te āhua nei. E puta ana I naia nei, looks like the Wesley boys just making their way to the doors now. As you can see the supporters coming across the balcony, making their way down to pitch side. But as I was saying, big shout out to all of our kaiwa wao. E tautoko ana I tēnei whakataitai whānui. Mei kore ake rātau, e kore tēnei kaupapa e tū no reira. Me mihi ka tika. Kia rātau kātoa. E tautoko mai ana I tēnei hākinakina I ēnei rangatahi. Kia tākaro ai rātau I o rātau hākinakina ki tēnei taumata taitei rau atu. And of course, big shout outs to our amazing men and women in the white jerseys officiating these fixtures across the two tournaments that we are hosting here on Whakaata Māori. Without them, this sport would not be able to go ahead, so we do thank them for their endless supports of not just rugby, but also of our rangatahi, allowing them to play and pursue their whutupōro at such a high level. No mātou, no tātou, me ki te maringa nui. I tahi wā tera pēr ka whakatoi mātou, tātou I a rātou. Engari, ko te mea nui ko rātou. Te tua papa, kia whakaute tia hoki rātou. Aha koa, ngā wero ka puta. I ngā kai tautoko, I ngā kai tākaro, I etahi o ngā kēmu. Yeah, sometimes we do love to give a little bit of stick to the referees, as is the custom across many sports. But it's important that they are also respected and given the chance to do their best job that they can. A little bit of stick is all good if it's balanced with a whole lot of aroha. Ia Whanganui. E uru ana ki te papa I naia nei. A few more caps than their first game, noted in their first fixture. They only had about 3 or 4 boys with those first 15 caps. We can see there, a couple more have been added to the ranks. Koera te tai tikanga. Te whutupōro a kura I Aotearoa nei. Whai muri I ngā kēmu I ai ki tētai kura, ki ia kura me ki, te namoera kēmu, ka whiwhia e te kai tākaro tētahi pōtai, hei tohu I tāna mahi. One of the fantastic traditions of New Zealand First 15 Rugby is that each school has their own number of games, but after a certain number of appearances, players receive a traditional cap to signify all of their work and their representation of their school. And a couple more boys receiving those for Whanganui, showing that some young players starting to get some experience come through the ranks as they build further into the second half of the season. Here come the hosts. Iera tiha te rongonui rau atu te mā me te pango. E mōhio tia whānui tia e te katoa. Those black and white jerseys known by almost everyone across Aotearoa Wesley College, an absolute institution, not just in the North Island. Engari te motu whānui hoki. Kare kore ka tākaro rātou, me te whakahi rau atu ki tērā tohu, Kia rātou umu. No doubt they will play with plenty of pride for that badge that they wear on their chests. Ko tahi anake. Te tangata e maupōtai ana. Just the one player wearing the cap. Perhaps a custom there for Wesley. Just the captain wearing that ceremonial attire, I should say. Ka rereke ngā tikanga o Iakura. Koera tētahi atu āhuatanga ātāhua. Te whutupōro i Aotearoa. Different customs, different traditions for each school. Another beautiful part of First 15 Rugby, the diversity, but also the honouring of tradition. I ngā kura rereke, puta noa i te motu. A koe nei ka ki te tātou tētai tikanga ātāhua anō. Ko te whakatato o ngā pōtai tērā mai ngā tima e rua hei tohu whakaute. Ki o rātou hoa riri o rātou hoa. E tūwana ki mui a rātou. As we see another beautiful tradition here. The laying down of the caps as a sign of respect to the opponents, to the boys across from them. Nō re hoa mā kia wahangua hau I nāianei. I'm going to shut up and let you guys enjoy what is a fantastic spectacle. He mea motuhake ki Aotearoa. O tirā ko te haka. Kia are are mai. Kua whakatakatori au e taku arero e whiwhiwi ana te wero e Whanganui ana I te whakautu o Wesley College. Challenge laid down by the boys in whites. Here is the response from the hosts. Au e te ihi. Au e te wehi o nei rangatahi e tū whakahi ana mo a rātou kura. E whakatinanana I te mana o e rā kura e rua. Plenty of excitement, plenty of mana on display from the two teams representing their schools with such pride. Engari e hoa mā kua mutu. Tēnei tatari kua mutu tēnei taihoa roa. Kei te rite tātou, ki te timata I tēnei ke muhi kakarau atu. Mai te Waikato, me pono taku kōrero. The waiting is over e te whānau. We are ready to get underway here from, I have been corrected, the north of Waikato, as you heard there in the Wesley haka. He piko he taniwha, he piko he taniwha, ko te aua ko Waikato rā. Despite my flagrant claims that this is, in fact, the southmost tip of the Auckland region, I will admit. Ko Waikato tonu tēnei. E taku aroha nui kia koutou katoa I āhua riri ki tāku I ki ai. Nō reira ka timata a Whanganui mai te taha maui ki te taha matau. I era tiha te mā. Ka tākaro hoki a Wesley mai te matau ki te maui. It'll be Whanganui. Goodness me, I'm already getting myself tongue-tied at te whānau. We haven't even started playing from left to right in the white strip. Wesley from right to left. Ka timata. Ki te number te kau o Whanganui will be the number 10, Cruz Malor from Whanganui Collegiate to get us underway in the central North Island fixture. Katuku Hohonu sends it deep, opting to force Wesley to break out from their own half in a strong carry. Going hard into contact there. Inaia nei Katuku, te arapea ki te taha. Instead goes up the centre, thought he might clear out to the sideline there. Now Whanganui with possession. Just inside their own half as now they look to shift it to the left. Breaks the first tackle. Got the offload away. Hoki te papa. Goes to grounds. That pass just going a bit awry. Ko tāhaitia. E Wesley inaia nei hea heinga mā rātou. Tatatonu ki te paiwehe. Now an opportunity with possession. Close to the halfway line as now they cross it. Offload back on the inside. Post contact meters. Ko tahi e rua e toru ngā kairutu engari I haere tonu ia. 1, 2, 3 tacklers. He kept going. As now Wesley. Ka hoki anō ki Whanganui. Back to the centre once more. Hard into contact. Kati te tonu ki taua taha matau. They'll still look to that right-hand side. Ko whakawhitia inaia nei te era pai te kaumita. Now crossing the 10-metre line as they shift it back on the inside. Look for the offload. Ka haere whakamua. Whanganui. Me te whana hoki. Looking to find space. Can't quite do so. And Wesley also not finding touch. Tākaro tonu ana tātou. We're still going here. As now it's collected at the back by the Wesley College centre, Jack Amon. Tukua nō ki te taha maui. Ue whana pai tērā. Mai te matau ki te maui kua whai te raina. Nō reira he rārangi ki waho. Kia Whanganui Collegiate. Te rārangi ki waho tuatahi o te kēmu nei. Good touch finder from right to left. Manages to just settle things down. It will be the first line out of the game. To Whanganui Collegiate with their hooker, William Gibbs, to bring it in. Hectic start. Both teams happy to just keep the ball in play. Te arapea ka pera hoki te toingo te kēmu nei, ki te rite rātau, ki te oma, ki te kaui, te poro. Perhaps both teams showing an eagerness to carry, to run with the ball. It's now Whanganui. Kōkiri anō ki Whanganui. Looking to drive up the centre. Now they look to go out to the right-hand side. Ooh. Te rapea he rutu māhunga tērā. Might have been a bit high, but geez, was it a good shot. You could hear the contact through the mics. As now Malor finds a gap. Whanana ki te kōkona hoki. I reira te āputa ko tahi atu a Malor ki Whanganui. Saw the gap and he went straight up the centre. Good touch finder as well, down towards the corner. He rārangi ki waho anō kia Wesley. Engari tatatonu ki tō rātau ake rua te kaumārua mita. Another line out to Wesley, but it will be close to their 22-metre line. As Mark Uhatai sends it in. Kua roa rawa, nō reira anei te āhenga. Mā Whanganui ki te whai mana. Tō mua tono ni tēnei haurua tuatahi. Chance now for Whanganui to find some authority early in the first. Niki ana ki te taha Maui. Great control there, almost a knock on. Left winger Lockie Stark did well to pull that one in. Nine ngā kai muri e mahi ana I te mahi, the forwards going to work. Engari reira hoki te jackal. Ko wai rā. Tētai o ngā kai muri o Wesley College, Tino Matara. I reira te āheinga, I pau tōrea. Saw the opportunity, struck while the iron was hot, got over the top of it, and then it's a fantastic steal for Wesley College. Pressure was starting to build, big moments, big plays. Certainly one there for the boys in black. Tērā pia nā te tau, me te maroki o te rangi nei. E MāORI ake ai era momo tākaro, tērā momo mahi. The warmth, the dryness, nice and settled conditions here will make that kind of style a little bit easier. Kicking game won't be so troubled, easier to run with the ball, handling won't be an issue. Te āhua nei, tērā pia ka nui ngā pero I te kebu nei, might be a high-scoring one as Whanganui stealing it. They've been dominant so far at line-out time, and Wesley get it straight back. Game of tennis at the moment. The ball goes back and forth as now Whanganui wanted to rip it away. In the end, ko te kaimuri tērā goes to the tight head prop, Lea, who drives it up. I nei ka whakawhitia no ki tēnei tahatata. Looking to shift to the near side. Good tackle, can't free his hands. Me te few hooky, not releasing the call. Both teams sharp at the ruck. Nō reira he few. Kia Whanganui tataki te kaumita. Kare kore ka tituru rātou ki te pai taha nei. They'll look to the sideline. Try and get some territory. And a good kick at that. Nudge the call from the sideline. Ai rau atu e hoa he nudged it up. Indeed, a fantastic boot. Making a great start to this game is Cruz at Malor.
Watch over though.
Te nui hoki o ngā whakatena mai I ngā taha e rua. Plenty of encouragement from the two sidelines. These boys not short on advice at the moment as now the throw in to the middle of the line out, and it's a good one. Thought about the drive, got the tap on the back from his captain, and now James Olds. Kōkiri ana ki Whanganui driving his way up, taking 2 or 3 men with him. Te āhua ka waiho ki ngā kai muri. Katino mā nawa. They'll leave it to the forwards, nice and patient. But an incredible carry there from Sere Maya. Wakani Sao. As now they go left. Get a man outside him. Ka hokai anō ki Whanganui steps back on the inside, goes to grounds. Ko whakawhitia te raina rua te kaumarua mita I nine. Now they've crossed the 22 as they drive closer and closer. Little dummy there from Olds. Mai tinihanga ki tōna ake hoa. Just deceiving his own teammate. In the end, he does manage to feed it back. Humphrey. I reira tonu ana, tū tonu ana. Still going. Te kaunga mitai toina I nine now and not releasing the call against the tackler. He few kia Whanganui. Tino tata ki te pai o Wesley College. Penalty close to the Wesley line here for Whanganui. Ka titiro rātou ki ngā pou. They're going to go to the posts. Kia hau nei koe rā te kōwhiringa tika, engari I hara te mea he mea kaha kitea. Tērā āhuatanga I tēnei taumata o te whutupōro. I'd say the right decision there, but it's something we haven't seen much in the first 15 scene. Look into the post. Most of the time, teams are happy to chance their luck, go down to the corner. Engari tērā pēr he tohu tērā o te pakeke o te whakaaro o tēnei timato Whanganui. Nice, mature game plan here from the boys in whites as they look to get themselves up on the boards. It will be the right winger, Nico McDougall. Good boy. Tika no mai te taha Maui. Nails it from the left-hand side. Toru ngā pero. Hei tiumatai te kēmu mō Whanganui. 3 points to get them underway. 8 minutes gone. And Whanganui take the first lead of the game. Tērā pēr ko tētai āhuatanga e kahaputa ia tātou e haere tonu ani tēnei kēmu ko te ngenge. Kua maurea mai nei tima e rua te ngao me te hikaka. Engari ko te mea matua ka pēhia te roanga o taua āhuatanga rā. Perhaps as we get deeper into this game, we might see some fatigue with the sheer level of intensity that both of these teams have brought. How long can they keep it up as Wesley stealing off the kickoff? Tukunoki Whanganui. Jeez, they've been fantastic in contact. They're proving hard to stop as now they look to shift it through the hands. They find their inside centre. Jeremiah Mose. Still going, refusing to go to grounds. Inaine Katsukua no. Ki te nama te kau, Oscar Fraser. Lovely drive by Philly Fangupo. That time held up. Katsukanoki Whanganui. Tēnei pātu o Whanganui. E tū kaha nei tēnei wā. The Whanganui defensive line proving strong at the moment. The little chip kick over the top. Geez, the bounce was a tricky one. He just managed to control it, did MΑORI. Goes to grounds. Ke roto tonu I tō rātou ake. Rua te kaumārua mita, still inside their own 22. Might see a touch finder here as MAORI gets back in the slot, and he does look to clear. Hasn't found touch. Wesley. Comes the fly half, running hard. Now gives it off to his man on the left-hand side. Ka hoki anō ki te taha mātou. Neke ana mai te taha, ki te taha, moving it from side to side. E ngana ana ki te whaka tūwhera I ngā āputa kei Whanganui I ngā kaiarai, looking to open up some gaps here. As now he carries, goes to grounds. Katsukanoki Whanganui. Back on the inside, little goosey, and he goes strong into the tackle. Look to be the tight head props, Yone Lea. Whanarewa ki te kokona anō, another chip kick over the top. In the end, getting back just in time was Wakani Sau. Inside centre plays halfback, little dummy. Sniped round the side of the ruck, could be dangerous. Inaine ka titura no ki te pai taha. Me te pai hoki o taua whakawātea, and a good clearance there. Te mō rea o te kai kāmera. Kia tūpato e hoa. In danger there was our cameraman e hoa. Please be careful. People say it's a non-contact sport spectating. I think it's an art all in itself. Rārangi kiwa hoa no. Kei roto tonu I te haurua o Whanganui. Whanganui not contesting, but the ball has found its way to the referee. It was knocked on. Aua ohorere tērā ki aia. Kari ei tino kawatau, ka tai te pōro ki aia. Perhaps a bit of a surprise there for the Whanganui player. Didn't really expect the ball to arrive to him. Got a hand on it, but it will be te kakari tuatahi o te kēmu nei. First scrum, 12 minutes in, we haven't had a scrum yet. Goodness me, South African rugby, eat your heart out. See who can stamp their authority here at scrum time. Front rows go down. Ai ki te kaiwa wao. Hare te mea he whiu, nō reira katsumata anō. Referee says we'll just reset. Hare te kaha hoki o taua timatanga. That's a strong start. A clash of bodies when that set call was made. Te ahua nei ki te pirangi ngā tima e rua. Ki te takahi I tō rātou mana. I tēnei wao te kakari. Looks like both of these teams want to stamp their authority here at scrum time. Katsumata no. Good squeeze. Even scrum. Katsuko no ki te taha matau. Steps off his right foot and goes hard into contact. And now they look to shift it out to the right-hand side. Driven backwards in the tackle, but he manages to get a pass away to his hooker, Mark Uhatahi, who just threw one away. Nice clearance there from Olds. Couldn't quite find a turnover, however, as now Wesley. Switch it back to the far side. Saw the gap. To McFarland's. Now back on the inside. Ngā Kaimuri, e mahi ana I te mahi. I nāia nei ka titiro ki ngā parirau kao. Thought he might look out to the wing there, but instead opts to run it into contact. Patience here from the boys in the black and white as now they look to drive it up. Good offloads. Post-contact meters there and a strong clear out. In at the ruck. Nā te kaho taua mahi I taka te pōro. Perhaps a little bit too strong, just causing the knock-on. Nō reira kakakari anō. Geez, I'm starting to regret my call that this might be high scoring. Both teams is equally strong on defence as they are showing to be dangerous on attack. Honestly, a scintillating start to this one. This is the kind of defence that Super Rugby wishes it had. Saw 51-31 Blues Crusaders the other night. If the Blues boys are watching, take some notes from these two teams. Front rows go down. Referee says we're happy to just start once more. Already a rātou e whakarita nei a rātou. Me mihi anō ki ngā kai tautoko tēnei kaupa o tira kia whakahata MāORI Māori Plus. E pāpākua nei I tēnei kēmu ki ngā kokona e whā o te motu nei. Mo te kore utu hoki. Mea nui tērā I tēnei oha. And while they reset, big shout out once more to whakahata MāORI Plus, broadcasting this game live and on demand across Aotearoa for free. Really cannot thank them enough for that aspect in this economy e homa. Ka tīmata anō. As Whanganui go across to their inside centre. Afamasanga. Strong ball carrier that he is, and he gets them up across the 10-metre line. I reira te kāpene. Olds. O kua hikina. Kua kōkiri tia whakamuri. Picked up and driven back as now Afamasanga. Looking to regain the meters, but at the moment Wesley are storming through. Told to leave the ball alone. Just had his hands on the ground as now Hokia no Kia Maben. Almost a driving maul here. Manages to get a knee to ground. Wakani Sao. Me te tuku hoki ki tōna hoa. And he lays it off as well to his teammates. Knocked on, double blow. E whakatūpato he kāri rānei. Is it a warning or is it a card? Might have just been a bit of a high shot there, causing the ball to come loose. It is te kāri whero tuatahi. Kāri kōwhai, oh we. E hara te rei te kāri whero e hōma. Yellow card, not the red card, yellow card. It looks to be for perhaps the number 9. Liren Baker. I think it was called for a dump tackle, picked him up and lifted him beyond the horizontal. E mea mō rea tere ai ki ngā tikanga. E kāri tira, ia rā. Rules say that's going to be a card each and every day. Koira tētai wero mo nei rangatahi me pēha rātou e whakataurite e te hikaki te ngāo me te tau hoki. Challenge for these boys. How can they balance the excitement but also keep it settled? Those kinds of mistakes, the high shots, the lifting tackles can be easy to come out. Can come out very easily, I should say. You just get a little bit ahead of yourself, so these boys need to try and channel that energy as best they can. As now Whanganui look to set the drive. Goes to grounds. Te kimi me te kōkiri, pick and go from Olds, and goodness meters, he gets some good meters as well. Putu koro. E whakahauana I ona hoa, ordering his troops around. Ko te ahua nei ka waihoa no ki ngā kaimuri. Looks like they'll leave it once more to the forwards as they drive towards that right corner. Te tai au te kite nā taua pou. Just obstructed by that pou, but you can see Whanganui getting closer and closer as now the pick and go to the right-hand side. Centimetres. As now they look to shift it. Wesley doing well to get quick off their line. Ka neke tonu ki taua taha maui, they still shift it to the left. Going to ground now is the fullback, Rupert Smith. Dumped to ground is Prouting. Ka hoki anō ki te whiu o mua as we return for the penalty advantage. Shisi rata pai, ngā kai tautoko ki tauarutu rā. Didn't the sideline love that shot there, picked him up and absolutely dumped him. Looks like he's had the wind knocked out of him, and fairly so. That was a statement tackle by Wesley College. Ia tā rātou e kōwhiri nei. What are they going to choose here? Te ahua nei. Te rapea here, Kakari. Might be a scrum as we take a quick break, perhaps for an injury in the right-hand corner. Te tūmanako nei he MāORI noa. Hopefully just a minor one as we take a quick injury break. Nō reira ia rātou. E paku whakatāna me mihi anō ki ngā kai tautoko tēnei kaupapa ki Apollo Projects, Caltex, Bailey's, Nativa. Rātou katoa. E whakatua rā nei tēnei whakataitai i nei rangatahi. So all of their endless support of this competition and of our youth. Big shout out to each and every one of them allowing this fantastic tournament to go ahead. Te ahua nei ana, he kakari anō. Looks like it will be another scrum. Wesley, Whanganui I should say, happy to back themselves at scrum time. They have got the man advantage, might try and stretch that Wesley backline just a bit thin, find a gap. Looks like they might bring it to this near side. See the inside centre there, Afamasanga. Just lining up a run here. Might we see a carry from the big number 12? Ki te kaiwa wao me whakarite anō. Referee says we just need to prepare once more. Ko rarunga tima e rua i a rātou. E whakatakato ana i ngā kakari. Both teams just struggling a little bit with the structure at scrum time. Te manako nei, ka whakatika ina i e rararu. Hopefully they can just sort those issues out as we continue deeper into this first half. As the ball is fed in by Butukoro. Now running off the backers, Wakani Sao. Gets out to the left-hand side, sees the corner. Tino Tata. Kotahi te mita e toiana, just a metre left as now they drive close to the line. Wesley pushing him back. Te kimi me te kōkiri. Whakatatana ki taua paitaha me te painga hoki, getting close to the sideline, but he did have an advantage. Offside called against Wesley, penalty starting to build up. Kei ngaru ia rātou tētai kautākaro anō. Ki taua pai, lest they lose another player to the bin. It looks like Whanganui will opt for a tap and go here, as they just set themselves. As they feed it back to their captain, Olds. Scrapping his way forward. Every centimetre matters here as now Whanganui. Wakani Sao. Utukoro, Katsuko no. Ki te tight head prop, Harry Sherritt. Ngā kimi me te kōkiri, Parawa me te pata. More Whanganui, bread and butter stuff for Whanganui as they go through the pick and go avenue. Wesley crowding it around the ruck. Defense strong thus far. Naine Katsuku. Kite Parino now they look to shift it wide. Pass was just behind and well controlled in the end by Eamon. As now he gets his legs pumping. Butukoro. The halfback goes himself. Almost held up by Wesley. Kaoki anō ki muri, te kimi me te kōkiri. Centimetres here. We're going to go over the top. Was, I believe, Wakani Sao. Inventive stuff as now Eamon's the captain. Reaching, scoring. Te piro tuatahi o te kēmu nei. Kato kia Whanganui Collegiate. The first try goes the way of the boys in whites. Tino mā nawa, I puku mahi rātou. Engari I reira tonu te hua. They were patient, they worked hard, and they get the rewards through their captain, James Olds. Te aheinga hoki ki te apeti I ngā piruerua nō mai mua. And a chance to add 2 more points from out in front as well. Nailed his first, did Nico McDougall. Good boy. Katsiko hoki I te wātuarua, and he nails it on the second occasion as well. Te kau ki te kore. The visitors leading by 10-0. Ai ki te taha, e whānga minutes toi nei tēnei haurua, ko e whakapononoa ki taua wāti. Sideline just saying 4 minutes left. Don't put all your faith in that shot clock up there at te whānau. Engari he wā, tērā. Mō Wesley, ki te rapu I tētai whakautu I mui te hauruatanga. That is the time that Wesley needs to find a response before the half. Kore ka piringi rātou ki te whai. I e tai whakatena tēnā. I a rātou e ke tonu ana ki te haurua tūru o tēnei kēmu. No doubt they'll be looking for some encouragement as they head into the second half. And plenty of attacking prowess is now going up the centre. Good meters there from Wesley.
Go, hit a hole, hit a hole.
Little offloads. I reira te nama te kaumaiwa, e ngana ana ki te tāhei. Looking for the steal there was the number 19, Kingi Poo. But in the end, Wesley out to their left winger, Manny New. Ka hoki anō ki Whanganui. Te titiro ia ki taua kokona matau. He was looking to that right-hand corner. Got his kick blocked, but will come back from the penalty advantage, not releasing the call against Whanganui. Tērā pia. Titiro rātou ki te paitaha. Will they look to the sideline? Yes, they will. Will be their number 10, Oscar Fraser, with the touch finder. And a good one at that. A very good one at that. Tērā pia hea heinga tēnei. Mō rātou ki te whakarite I tētai kōkiri. Might be a chance for them to organise a line-out drive. Me te tono hoki ki a koutou e mātakitaki mai ana, ngā tangata reo Māori. Tēnā, tuku mai tētai kupua nō mo te drive. I'm using kōkiri for drive, line-out drive, pick and go. I need to whakawhānui I takakete. Nō reira tēnā āwhina mai. Goes to the central line-out, now brings it down. And they do get set, they're running away with it. Whanganui getting through and disrupting it illegally, however. Nō reira Wesley, me te paingo hoki. Te whana rewa ki te taha matau. The chip kick out to the right-hand side. Sino tata. Almost spectacular stuff for Wesley College. Engari ia rātou tonu taua painga. They had that advantage, so they'll come back. But geez, it was a bit of vision there from the fullback. And the captain, Levi Byers. So they will look to tap and go here. E te hokinga mai hoki, te whakahokinga mai o taua Namaiwa as Liren Baker makes his way back onto the field. He served his 10 minutes off, and now Wesley e kōkiri ana ki te raina me te piro hoki. Koira te whakautsui pirangi ai rātou. That's the response they were after. Just minutes before the break, Wesley strike back. It was quick stuff, caught them napping on defense, found a way through. Te kau ki te rima. Jeez, it happened so quickly. Even I was caught off guard at the iwi. Sneaky stuff from Wesley, just sniping their way in. Tērā pia. Koira te mai whakamutunga o tēnei haurua tuatahi. That might be the final action of this first half, in fact. Be interested to see whether the referee decides if we've got enough time for a restart. And te mea matua I nā nei, more Fraser ki te apati. I ngā piro e rua no focus now for the number 10. Kick just away to the left. Been told from the sideline that, in fact, the shot clock is not off. My clock is absolutely miles away e te iwi. Tērā pēā ko te akuranga mai tērā kau e whakapono mai. Perhaps the true learning from that is do not trust me. It seems that our clock is indeed correct, and my apologies for doubting our amazing people behind the scenes, and my apologies kia koutou katoa e whakapono mai kia hau. Tēnā. Tērā pēā he wāhi pai ake. Kia tuku ai tō koutou whakapono. Perhaps better places to put your trust than in yours truly. As now, Wesley looking to clear it out. Jeez, it wasn't a bad kick, but it was well controlled at the back for Whanganui. Little Benji Marshall out the back door, and now the kick across from Butukoro. Almost getting up and taking it, and now it's been stolen away. Here go Wesley. Looking to chip it away. Did it find the touchline? Ora te pātai nui. Did it land on the line? Did it land in field? It did. It found the stripe, kicked out on the full. And now it will be back with Whanganui. Kei roto tonu I te haurua o Wesley within the Wesley College half. Wesley do get up to contest and they almost steal it, can't quite get it. And now Butukoro sends it away to his captain. Strong carry once more from Olds. Keri ana mo te poru I nai nei ka tuki taha matau. Digging for it, now gets it at the right hand side. Maben couldn't find a way to get his hands free. Kiri ana driving once more is Pooh. Going to ground now, the fullback, Rupert Smith. Koiana mai tōna Waiwai Maui stepping off his left foot. Now going to ground. Tukonoki Whanganui. The centre once more, Maben. Managed to get the offload away, and now to get it out to the right-hand side. Kei reira ngā nama meki, they had numbers. In the end, Olds happy to step back in and go to grounds. Ko kiri ana ki te kaumita, driving to the 10-metre line as now they look to shift it once more. Olds, kia hia ngā kawe mai te kāpenera. How many carries is that captain going to rack up here in the first half? There's now Whanganui. Mana wana wa tonu wana engari kua taka te poro. Just saying they were being patient, but the ball goes to ground, and now Wesley, stiff arm fence. Goodness me, that was a strong hand from the number 12. I believe that was Jeremiah Mose. As now Wesley, out of absolutely nowhere, driving beyond the 22. Strong carry from Manny New. As now once more they send it to the right. Kōkiri Tonuana still driving his way forwards, pumping the legs. Atukanoki Whanganui back on the inside. Driving towards the line, me te piru hoki. Wesley College, mai te kore, I naia nei e toana. From nothing to holding the lead, the boys in the black and white crash over for their second try. We're 10 apiece with a fairly simple kick to come. They were under the pump there for the opening 20 minutes. Engari kua whai rātau I tētai taumata no I ngā minutes here iwa kuhipa. They've found another gear in the 9 or so minutes just gone. And out of nothing, they have given themselves a chance to steal the lead. will be buyers on this occasion. Off the posts. Te kau ki te kau. It remains at 10 apiece, in fact. Got a bit ahead of myself there, e te iwi. Scores locked up, just minutes remaining here in the first half. Aurera ko te pātai matsua. Mawai tēnei haurua e toa me ki. The main question now, who can win this first half? It's important to carry the advantage into the break. Be interesting to see who can grab a hold of it. O kua taka. Kua taka te poro mai te timatanga. The ball dropped from the restart. Hare te mea I tatari roa rātou. They didn't have to wait long. Did Whanganui immediate chance to strike back now. E kakari tatatonu ki te rua te kaumārua mita. The scrum. About halfway between the 22 and the 10-metre line. Might look to shift it wide, try and strike off the back of this one. With the afi o ngā kaitautoko ki Murira. And a nice embrace between two of the supporters behind there. Lovely to see plenty of aroha from the boys on the sidelines here. There's now Whanganui. E neke ana ki tēnei tahatata. Shifting now to the right-hand side to the fantastic athletes. That is Nico McDougall. Engari kua tāhaitia anō. Te kaha ki o Wesley College era rucks. Plenty of strength in and around the breakdown for Wesley as they steal it once more. Kora te wā tuarua. Kua whakawātea rātau I a rātau anō mā tērā mahi. A koira te whakamutunga o tēnei haurua tuatahi, and that is the end of the first half. Not to be separated, 10 points apiece. Wesley against Whanganui. Nō reira kau e tā wāhi e te iwi. Don't go anywhere te whānau. Ko ki mai a koa nei mātou ki te haurua tuarua o tēnei kēmu. Hi kakarau atu no Wesley College.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whea ko Pauri hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Well, I can't wait any longer. You know my love is on fire. Oh, yeah. Come on and give it to me.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in this. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, but they have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki MāORI Plus me whakaata Māori.
Hey, sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MΑORI Plus on your devices.
E te tia te tae hoa mā nau mai hoki mai ki ngā pātiki Matamata rau atu. O te tokerau o Waikato ki tēnei kēmu hikaka rau atu kei Whanganui a Wesley College rātau ko Whanganui Collegiate. Kua hipa tētai haurua tata rau atu te kautonu I te āputa. Nō reira e te whānau he whakamutu ngā pai rau atu kei te haere. Kia ora whanau, welcome back to this exciting fixture between Wesley and Whanganui Collegiate. Oh, e taukuri e. Upon the lush pastures of North Waikato. An incredibly exciting first half of footy, 10 points apiece. The teams not to be separated at the break. No doubt a fantastic finish to come. Ko taubi tōku ingoa nōku te maranga nui ki te mātakitahi tēnei kēmu me koutou katoa. E hono mai ana I ngā haue e whā, I ngā kokonei e whā o te mosu whānui. My name is Toby. It is my privilege to be watching this one alongside all of you joining in from all four corners of this great nation and indeed the world, tuning in to what has been and promises to continue to be a absolutely fantastic game of rugby. Kua kitea e rātau te mōrearea o enei tima e rua I a rātau e whakaeke ana engari te kaha tonu o te mahi ārei mai ngā taha e rua o te papa. We've seen the danger of both of these teams while they're on attack, but also plenty of strength on defence. This game could easily be a much higher scoring affair if it wasn't for some fantastic defensive efforts. Super Rugby, eat your heart out. Nō reira ka tīmata no mai te pai wehe. We'll get underway from the halfway line once more. It will be Wesley College through their number 10, Oscar Fraser. E rua ngā piro kia Wesley ko tahi ana ke. Kia Whanganui, 2 tries to Wesley in the first half, just the one for Whanganui Collegiate. Of course, the successful conversion and the penalty, meaning we still have parity on the scoreboards. Running hard to get us underway, Wakari Sau. That sets the tone as now Whanganui looking to work it out from their own half. Will they look to the touchline here? Carried back, so they won't be able to kick it out on the full. Yes, they take another phase. Little step, little offload. He only finds the number 6 of Wesley. Engari reira tonu te piro. Tino koitera. Nā te nama te kaumārua o Whanganui Collegiate. Good and sharp stuff there from the inside centre. Look for a second like Wesley might get a good attacking opportunity out of that one, but in the end it is turned over. Oera ka titiro anō a Whanganui ki te taha tata nei. Te arangi ki waho tūtahi o te haurua nei. Kia Whanganui will be the number 2 for the boys in white. William Gibbs to feed the first line out of the second half. Didn't see too many set pieces in the first, mostly running rugby. Plenty of excitement. No doubt all of our Springbok supporters watching on couldn't really keep up with what was going on as now Wesley steal it off the back of the lineouts. And they look to drive up the centre. No apologies needed for my Springbok slander. As now Wesley bumping tackles. Haere tonu ana, kōkiri ana ki te raina. Strong carry from the number 7, Kipweli Taufuo. And making their way over the line, but held up as the captain, Byers. And it will be a goal line dropout to Whanganui. Keep working, boys, is the call from the sideline. As it is cleared out. Tata ki te pai taha. Did he get a hand on it? He did. Best possible outcome there for Whanganui. Tried to keep it in, can only do as well as to get a little touch on it, and it will mean that the line out goes the way of the boys in whites. Still plenty of pressure. They're going to need to try and find a way to drive out of their half. Perhaps they might look to the boot once more. As now they go over the back. Taking it to ground was the number 19. Pooh. Now they feed it out to Wakari Sau. Wesley told to leave it alone. Butukoro feeds it back to Malo, who looks to shift the play across the right-hand side and picking it up as well. Not sure if it was intentional, but boy, what is a good play. And there it goes up the middle. The inside centre, Afa Masanga. He read it there, but Whanganui went straight through that gap. He's gone to ground. Hopefully, nothing serious. Now Whanganui. Wakani Sau. Looking to make inroads up this left-hand side. Kua tahaitia anō engari I reira tonu te paenga no. But it was penalty advantage with the hands on the ground, in fact, for Wesley. As now Whanganui shifted to the right. Back on his feet is Afa Masanga. Wasting no time getting back up into the line is now Whanganui. Tatatonu ki taua rua te kaumārua mita close to the 22. All well and truly in the Wesley quarters now, the boys in whites. Pooh. Kawe tonu ana hakoa. Te maha o ngā miniti kua tākoroa ia. Afa Masanga. Opts to go into contact, now lays it back. Butukoro. Back to the number 23. Believe that is Ormsby. Wakani Sau. Phases building up here for Whanganui. Is now the hooker. William Gibbs. Tahata ki te taha engari pai tonu. Titiro no ki Whanganui, they look once more to the centre. Malo. Oh, te kaha hoki o taua rutu. What a shot that was on the first 5. Jeez, I'm glad I'm sitting at home commentating rather than out on the field at the moment. There's now Smith. Feeds it off to Eamon. Haere whakamuri ana I Naianei. They're going backwards at the moment. Little pick and go off the back here. And the chip kick. The skills on display from the lock forward. Got the number 5 there, Charlie Maben. I Naianei katau ki taho Wesley College. Now it will settle on the Wesley side. Tera pea ka titiru rātou ki te paitaha. Will they look to the sideline? Ups to go up the centre. Only gets as far as Malo. He's got a man outside him to the right. Can he access them? Little step back in off his right foot as Eamon goes to grounds. Katskua no ki tera parero matau. Thinks the better of it and looks to go back inside, does the Carpenet. James Olds. Looks like obstruction, the call there. Just running into his own player. Nō reira ko te roanga o taua mahira. Long phase, plenty of hands on knees for the Wesley College boys. They do survive unscathed. I Naianei ha henga ki te whai whakautu. Te whai wahi I te haurua o Whanganui. Chance for them to find a response and find some time in the Whanganui half. They will pack in for the scrum as our Springbok fans rejoice in a slightly more familiar form of this game. Me ngā whakawhiti o ke uru ana mai I te pai. Te āhua nei ko te nama rima pea. It looks like it will be the number 5, Vinci Fatu, making way.
Talk to them, Rude. Tell them what's going on.
And the number 17, Tuuheawa, and the number 18, Sam Tuifua, making their way onto the field.
Break off, Jimmy.
As we'll pack in for the scrum once more. Wesley feeding it in through Baker. Good strong scrum and a squeeze call from the sideline as now they look to clear it up through Fraser. Finds grass in behind, well controlled at the back. But it's been kicked out on the full. No reira he rāngi ki waho kia Wesley College. Tata tonu ki te rua te kaumārua mita o Whanganui. Close to the Whanganui 22-metre line. Tērā pia koinei te ahenga. Mā Wesley ki te whai I te painga tuatahi o te kēmu. Is this the chance for the boys in black and white to find their first advantage of the game? Will they set a line-out drive here? They go to the centre. They did want the drive in the end. It was a little bit long, but well cleaned up. Not rolling away. To be honest, I'm actually not sure what the hand signal is there. I'm just pretending to warm up. I know most of what's going on, but no doubt some of you at home are yelling at your TV screens, telling me that it's an obvious one. Te mea matua here for you. And so it is a tap and go for Wesley. Now they look to go hard through their forward pack. The ball's gone to ground, perhaps a knock on. I believe it was ripped away. Yes, it was. Kaiarai o Whanganui, e tuana I te wātika. The defence for Whanganui standing up just at the right time, managing to rip that ball away. And it will be another kakari kia rātou. Tata tonu ki tō rātou ake raina. No reira ko te mea matua kia tika tēnei kakari kia taia I a rātou. Te whakawātia I te pōro. Big thing now for them to make sure they get this scrum right, give themselves a chance to clear it out. Danger not quite past just yet. Once again, I remind you at the final at the start of this game, I predicted a high-scoring fixture. And once again, I remind you at the final, do not put any faith in anything that I say in these broadcasts. As now Whanganui will look to clear. He gets a good boot on it, and goodness me, it's not a bad clearance. Once again, tō tātou nei kai kāmera. Ahua mō rea rea ana, in a bit of danger there. Our cameraman, here hoa, kia hau marutonu. Hope you're keeping safe out there, but in the end, it will be a line-out to Whanganui in between the 10 and the 22. Got the players stretched across to the left-hand side. Might try and shift it here. Line out just goes right. They do well to control it, and now they do look to free the hands.
Get around!
Strong carry up the centre. Tinitaua te kaumita. Tukunoki Whanganui, Ngāianei kōkiri ana ki mua. Breaking tackles up the centre. They've got numbers away to the left if they can access them. Running hard off the back of the ruck is the number 9. Liren Baker goes to grounds. Strong shot from Whanganui. The ball is now reset. Away hawking Kaimuri. And leave it to the forward packs to get in and do the dirty work. They look to drive their way forwards once again. Kipuweli Taufuo. Man of many carries. And now they keep driving. Eri Mangamita e Toiana. Just 5 metres left now. Tatonu ki te pai o Whanganui. Right in front of the Whanganui bench. Baker. Goes left. Up to step back off the right foot. Te hokai. Me te piro hoki ko te kāpena. E tuana mo tōna tima. Levi Byers, the captain, stands up for his team and te kōwhai, te kāri kōwhai, hei āpiti. And a yellow card to boot. It looks like it was against Wakari Sau. Thank you. The chant from the Wesley supporters. Plenty to be thankful for at the moment. Their boys have got a try. Whanganui down to 14. That is an absolutely beautiful bit of play for the boys in black and white. Opted not to pass, stepped off the left, stepped off the right, found the gap. E reira tonu te kairutu, ngare hei aha. E kawea hoki ia. E Byers ki te raina. The tackler was there, but no point in the end. Byers just carried him across as well. And now it will be a chance to add to for Oscar Fraser. Away to the left. 6 points now left out there from Wesley. They've got 3 tries to 1, but they lead by just 5. Could that be the difference here in what has been a tight encounter. Those points off the tee might be able to make the difference for Whanganui if they can find the next score here. So they send it back to this near side off the restart. It hasn't gone 10. Wesley, play to the whistle. We're waiting for the referee to blow, but Whanganui didn't contest, and the ball bouncing around dangerously, but in the end, it is the boys in the black who take it down. So look to clear through the boot of Byers, the try scorer. Only gets as far as the fullback for Whanganui. Kahokia Byers swings it across to Fraser. Drives a kick in towards the 22, and it's a tough bounce for Malo. Tukwanoki Whanganui, Putukoro. Bit of a kicking game at the moment, well taken. Bit of skill there from Byers. Yes, they send it back to the centre. Now looking to work it up, Baker. Looks to his right-hand side, almost getting through the outside centre. Natususau. Fraser. Centres once more, Byers. Through the hands of the reserve prop, Eko Kirana Kimua. Looks like the number 18, Tui Fua. Breaks the first tackle. Pulled down in the seconds. Wesley College. Kōkiri whakamuana, whakatatana ki taua rua te kaumā rua mita, driving forwards, nearing that 22-metre line. Fraser steps off the right foot. Does Taufuo. Almost getting through and stealing it in the end. Nicely cleaned up by the blindside flanker, Whangupu. And he makes good use of the position as well. Gets a couple extra metres as now they shift it across to Heava. Looking to hold him up there. And it looks to be like doing so as well. Whanganui. He tū kaha nai ahakoa tēnei ngaru. He tūki mai ana I Wesley. Despite the wave coming in from the Wesley College boys, Whanganui find a way to stay alive. We'll take a quick break once more as a player just on the ground. Hopefully just a little cramp. Nothing too serious. E tatori ana me mihi ka tika ki ngā kai tautoko katoa tēnei kaupapa ki a Nativa, Bailey's, Caltex, Apollo Projects, Anchor. Mei kore ki rātou e kore tēnei kaupapa e tū. Without them, this tournament would not be able to go ahead. Special shout out to Anchor. Big fan of their products. Love me a bit of Primo. Might call me a bit of a weasel for giving them a special shout out, but I do see myself as a pretty fantastic chocolate milk taster. If you need any help in your R&D, Anchor, tēnā kōrero mai. Orera ka hoki anō. Ki te kakari will return once more to scrum time. Let the box fans rejoice. Wesley, kei reira tonu tētai āheinga. Mehe mea ka taia rātou te toa I tēnei kakari. Tino tata tonu ki te raina. Still a chance here for Wesley. If they can get up and win this scrum, they're not far out as we see the reinforcements coming on. Number 16, Fulau. Number 19, Tapusoa. So a reinforced scrum, fresh legs, good territory. Whanganui a man down. Wesley will be looking to attack here. Be interesting to see if they go with a 7-man scrum where they bring one of the backs in. It looks to me like they're going to be happy to scrum with just the 7. So well and truly an opportunity here for the boys in black to use those fresh legs to their advantage. Reserve halfback as well, number 20, Ratu Level, on for Wesley College, but it will be Putukoro to feed it in. They do get a shove on. Whanganui do well to hold it off, and now they look to clear. And not a bad clearance at that. Once more, the cameraman. Go easy on him. As Whanganui do manage to get the clearance up near halfway. In fact, just on the 10-metre line. So go for the line out. They've set themselves pretty far in field. He's going to have to put a good throw up here. Middle of the call from the sideline. Let's see if he's proved right. There he is. The sideline nailed it, and Whanganui almost got the steal. Marikea Wesley Tonu. Me te hi kakahoki nā ngā kai tautoko, and the excitement as well from the sideline. Good to see they've been let out of class too. Come and watch this one. Me ngā waiato kia rere mai ana. Ia rātou. E whai āputa ana ki taua taha maui. Finding gaps down the left-hand side. Taking 2 men with him. Was the captain, James Olds. There's now almost the steal. Wesley. They've got that man advantage. They might not need it. As the reserve loose head prop. Kepu Tsuheava. Driving now through the inside centre. Mose. Atisiro Noki te taha maui. Looks to the left-hand side, through the hands. Forbes. Kei reira tonu ngā nama ki te taha matau, engari kua tāhaitia nōtia. Ko wai atu I te kapene. Who else but Captain America, number 7 Olds, standing up for his team right when it mattered most. Jeez, they've done a good job of defending that yellow card. Have Whanganui Collegiate. Oh, I just think we have a scoreboard issue there. I believe it is 15-10. Return to the sideline once more for a line-out.
Let's go, Kobe.
Still on there and still going. William Gibbs. It's 55 minutes in. He hasn't looked like slowing down. However, it looks like Benjamin Karatau has made his way in from the Whanganui bench. Reinforcements now for the boys in whites. Ia rātou e tatari tonu ana. Mo wakani sao ki te hoki mai anō. Line out is good. Pulled in nicely as now they look to shift it. Ball in one hand and now looking to try pumping the legs. James Olds. A little pick and go as well. Driven back by Wesley. Haere whakamuri ana. Nā te kaho e nei rutsu. Tēnei pātū pango. This black wall at the moment for Wesley College, driving them back.
Go, Lockie!
As now steps off the right. Now shimmies his way back in field, the number 11, Lockie Stark. Comes out on the side of Wesley, just knocked on when he went to pick it up. And so it will be another kakari. Kia Whanganui. Yet to concede a point. They've been on the defense for most of the time. They've been down a man, but man, have they done a fantastic job of it. As Putukoro makes way for the number 21. Kobe Simmons. They might just feel if they can clear their territory here, get some good field position and get Wakani Sal back, it could be their opportunity to strike here. Most crucial thing is they need to nail this scrum. Darius Moe as well with the reinforcement on the blind side. As Wesley shoved through, but they managed to free it out to Afamasanga. Olds stepping, wriggling his way forwards. Atsukono Kimuri. Goes to ground to share it. Can't clear. to the line, at least on the full. But he sliced it. And so we're going to go all the way back to the 22-metre line. And right on time, Wakani Sao. Ka hoki anō ki te kēmu. Ngari reira tonu te taumahatanga, still plenty of pressure. Just 5 metres beyond the 22. He rārangi ki wahoki a Wesley College. Te kaumāruanga minutes e toi ana tērā pēr mehe mea katai e rātau. Te whakamahi pai e nei āheinga. If they can use this opportunity and get full benefits, e hoa mā tērā pēr ka nui rawa te maunga. Mo Whanganui, that could put it just out of reach of the boys in white. And as I say that, they've stolen it away. So much for my pessimism as now they come flying away through their captain, Olds. Steps off the right, steps off the left. No, Wakani Sao gets folded in half. And a strong tackle from the reserve hooker. I believe that was Kona Falau. And now, still running. Eamon. He's hard to put down, and in the end they do get a good shoulder on. It was McFarland. And now Whanganui. Shifting it across to this left-hand side. Olds. Now with Simmons. Across to the number 17, strong carry from Karatau. Holding him up and a maul is formed and ripped away from Wesley. No. Looked for all money there like it was going to be Wesley ball. Engari ka no tonu te rirohanga ki a Whanganui. Nai nei ka neke ki tau wa taha matau. Now they shift to the right-hand side. Finds the gap. Driven back just to the halfway line. Atsuko no ki wainga. Engari kua ngaro I aia. He loses it. And now it is back with Wesley. Now they look to shift it. The captain, Byers. Back on the inside for the reserve hooker. Driven back as Falau. And it's been lost. Offside, I believe the call against Wesley is now Wakani Sao. Wasting no time, and it's the flanker who puts up a bomb. In the end, Byers happy to take the mark. Jesus, not every day you see open side flankers putting up bombs, but he's a jack of all trades, as Levi Byers. As he looks to put a banana kick. I tell you what, it's not a bad effort. He's got it down as far as halfway. Didn't have much angle to work with, opted to just slice it across. And in the end, it will be a rārangi ki wahoki a Whanganui. Tatatonu ki te pai, we're here close to the halfway line. Couple substitutions coming in as well by the looks of things. Taihua kia ki te ai ko wairaua e rua. Now, it goes back, well collected though by the number 21, Kobe Simmons. And Malor will now look to centre. Kōwai Atuia Olds. He had him around the neck, it's been ripped away. And then knocked on. Karenga Kaiawhinai Kite. Looks like the assistants didn't quite catch that one, so it will be a kakari. Kea Whanganui tonu. That reinforced scrum. With Ashworth, Hadfield and Mo alongside Karatau, who's been absolutely explosive since he came on. Fresh legs, can they be the difference here for the boys from Whanganui? As we will set in on the halfway line.
Run around here, Sitter. Lofty, get behind. Come up, go. Tackle, tackle, tackle.
Roa no tō taku rorohiko. My apologies at Stefano, my computer has a mind of its own, and due to it being a trusty old Apple MacBook that is just hitting about 10 years of age, it decided to shut down without any input from yours truly. Engari kauwea wanga te, we do not fear. Ko hoki mai anoa hau, ka noho tonu hau mo te toingo te kēmu nei. Mena karata toku rorohiko tawa whakaro rā. Don't worry at the iwi, I won't go anywhere for the rest of the game if my computer agrees to such an idea. As we now see Wakani Sau bringing it strongly off the back of the scrum. Ball is lost, however, now Wesley. Could this be the chance to close this game out? Carrying it strong and now going to grounds. Tinoki Whanganui, they'll look once more to the centre. Captain shifts it on. Space out on the left-hand side, breaking tackles, offload.
Cover Lauren, cover Lauren. That's right, keep him down here.
Ooh, tino tata, engari ora tonu wana Whanganui, almost going through, but Whanganui stay alive. As we'll come back for the advantage. Wakani Sau making his way back to his feet as well. He will be crucial for Whanganui in the remaining few minutes. Kakaria no kia Whanganui. He tō rātou rua tekau rua tonu in their own 22, however. Crucial here that they can find a way out and find some momentum. E rima ngā minutes e toi ana I tēnei kēmu. E rima ngā piro te rerekētanga. 5 minutes left in the game, 5 points the difference. Can the boys from Whanganui overcome the gap? Strong scrum from Wesley, almost goes through, as now MΑORI gets it out the right-hand side. Tataki te kaumita close to the 10-metre line. He rārangi ki wahoa no kia Wesley. No doubt, Whanganui will like to get up and contest this. They need a steal here. As the ball will come in from the number 16, Fulau. Wesley. Kangana rātau ki te whakatau I te āhuatango te kēmu ina nei ka eke tonu. Will they look to settle things down or will they keep attacking? Risk and reward as they do put the line out up and it's well taken in by Forbes and now they drive. But an error at line out time. Jumping across is the call from the referee. Wera koi nei pia. Te āheinga whakamutunga. More Whanganui College. Is this the final opportunity for the boys in white? They've lost their captain to the sideline, but still plenty of talent. Kanisau, MAORI, strength off the bench through the likes of Karato, Ashworth, Ormsby. They've still got Stark. No shortage of attacking options here if Whanganui can find a chance to let them run. As now Wakanisau carrying off the back of the scrum. He will look to centre it once more. Still there, Gibbs. Goodness me, give the man a rest. Doesn't seem that he needs one at the moment though. Keeps on running. As Wesley looking to drive over the top and almost doing so. And they do get the steal. Now Wesley. Erapuana I te Irakatsi. Tēnei Kēmu looking to put the full stop on this one. Stepping on his right foot and carrying strongly is Tapusua. Now Byers gets it away to his lock, Forbes. And the sideline thought it was the ending try, but in the end will come back once more for the penalty. Now 3 minutes left. Still just one score in it. All to play for. Whanganui. Can they find a way out of their own half? Wesley. Can they grind this game right down to the end? Mga waiata. E rere mai ana I ngā kai tautoko. Waiata a tāhua me ki e mihi ana kia rātau katoa. E whakapiki ana I te wairo at te Kēmu Nate. And a big shout out to the sideline as well. Beautiful. Waiata's coming in, really lifting the vibes as now Whanganui shifting the ball. Afamasanga. Driven back by Wesley. Now out to the left-hand side. They have got numbers. Can they find a chance to run? Steps off his left foot, does. The number 22, I believe, Ormsby. So now they look to centre once more. Little dummy, and he opts to go himself. Does the number 16, Hadfield. Trying to find the gap, trying to find space, as now they go across the right-hand side. Wesley, huge shot. What a tackle that was. Believe from the number 7 for Wesley College, the flanker, Tipueli Taufuo. Goodness me, is now Whanganui into the final minutes. MAORI looking to step, he's lost the ball. Could that be it for Wesley? Koira te whakamutunga o te Kēmu, that is the end of the game. Kua whawhai kaha Kua whawhai roa ngā tima e rua, engari I te mutunga ko ngā tāne mai te tokerau o Waikato. Kua toa, kua whaihua, I tēnei whakataitai pai rau atu. Both teams fought long and hard, but in the end, it is the boys from North Waikato who get the dub from what has been an incredible competition. Prayer across the field, beautiful to see, sending the inoi ki te matu I te rangi. Me mihi tonu ki a Whanganui, big shout out to Whanganui Collegiate. They have put on an absolutely fantastic show here today. They can go home with their heads held high. Engari e te whānau ko tātou tērā, that is us for this day of coverage from Wesley College. Ka hoki mai anō tātou hei te wikini nei. We'll come back once more this weekend with Super 8 and Central North Island action. Engari, moi nai nei for now. Ko Toby tōku ingo, my name is Toby. It's been a privilege to watch this one alongside all of you joining in from across the nation. E te whānau, hei a kua nei.